Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to add the Wix gallery onto our Wix Harmony site. Let's get started. So first, we're going to go to the add button on the top left. Click on all and look for gallery. Then click on it. Here, click on see all next to the gallery category in order to see all of its available layouts for you to choose from. Once you find a layout that you like, simply click on it and it will be added to your page. Alternatively, you can also drag and drop it to your page, then position it properly. And in order to change the images on the gallery, click on it and go to Manage Media on the action bar above. So we're going to work on the first image first. Click on it and click on Replace Image over here. Next, select the image you want to replace it with. You can use files from Media's Wix's library or upload your own images if you have them. Select the image you want to replace it with and then click on Apply. And if you want to add a title, you can do it here, as well as for the description and for the alt text and for the link, if in case you want to link it to somewhere. Now, just repeat the process until you finish replacing all of the image on the gallery. You can even add more images if you want to by clicking the Add Images button right over here. And once you're done, you can just close this window now, and your changes will automatically be saved within the Harmony editor. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.